Good afternoon. If you ever find your front axle is dragging every time you hit the brakes, we're going to crawl under this trailer and show you what the cause of it is. What's happening is your airbags are not inflating. You can just touch them, they're just soft. This lever is coming down, causing all the weight to be on the back axle, and then every time you touch the brakes, the front axle locks up and will flat spot your tires. Your ABS will not be working at that point. So what you can do is, your leveling valve is connected down here at the axle. You just pluck it off, actuate it up and down until it starts working and inflating the bags, and just reinsert it onto the stem. Then your bags will inflate and the flipper bar will go up, allowing the brakes to work normally.